In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a partial payment for an invoice in QuickBooks Online. So, let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, after logging into your QuickBooks Online account, direct your attention to the left panel of your screen. Here, you're going to click on the Sales tab. This is your gateway to accessing all invoicing features that QuickBooks offers. Once you click on Sales, you'll notice a new series of options appearing, and from there, you'll want to navigate to the Invoices tab. This tab is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all your invoices that are currently active in your system. After accessing your list of invoices, the next step is to identify the specific invoice for which you want to record a partial payment. Take a moment to locate it within your list, ensuring you're choosing the correct invoice, as this is pivotal for the accuracy of your financial records. Once you've pinpointed the right invoice, click on it to open a detailed view. This window will provide you with all the existing information regarding that particular invoice, making it easier to proceed with recording your payment. With the invoice page open, direct your attention to the option labeled Receive Payment. You should see this feature clearly visible on your screen. Click on it to open the payment recording window. This window is a crucial step, as it allows you to document the payment you've received from your client, especially when it's not the full amount owed. Now, on to the most essential part, entering the partial payment amount. At the top right corner, within this Receive Payment section, you'll find a text box labeled Amount Received. Carefully enter the amount you've received from your client into this box. Double check that you've inputted the correct figure, because accuracy here ensures that your records will remain precise. If the client paid a different figure than agreed upon, this is where you adjust and reflect the correct amount received. Once you're confident everything looks correct, your next action is to click Save. This might seem like a small step, but it's crucial because it ensures that QuickBooks updates your records accurately. Clicking Save finalizes this transaction and records the partial payment against the invoice. And just like that, you're done. By following these steps, you've successfully recorded a partial payment for an invoice within QuickBooks Online. This will help you maintain a clear and accurate record of your business transactions, ensuring you're always up to date with client payments. Thank you for tuning in, and if you need any further assistance with QuickBooks, feel free to explore the other resources and guides available to you.